All right, so now you've got your project cut out and you are ready to assemble it. The first thing you're going to need to do is to fold on all of your lines and at your glue tab marks. So I've already done that for the sake of time. So when we're getting started here, again, for the sake of time, I'm going to use a glue stick. If I have them available, you guys can use them too, but if we don't, we have to use regular Elmer's glue. And I'm going to glue the tabs on the top like that. And then I am going to push them up and I am going to get my edges on. Okay, so coming around just like that. That way I can get my hand inside there and I can tap them down so that they stick better. Okay, make sure that they line up correctly. So you're going to have to take your time on this one. All right, and then the last one you have is this little tab here, so that the box itself is going to stay together. And I can tuck that in. Okay, now the last thing that I have to do here is I can put glue on these pieces on these tabs. And I can bend them out and turn the whole thing upside down if I desire to do this. If I don't want to do it on the top, I'm just going to do it on the top. It's already bent mine. So I put my glue on. And now I'm going to put my string and I'm just going to drop it down so the knot's on the inside right there. And then I fold where your project tag is going to be. I just fold this down, sort of smooth it. And as soon as the glue sets up, you're going to be good to go. And your yarn is trapped inside there. So now it can be hung up and your project is done. All right, not so bad.